the first version of your app is going to be made up of must-have features. Must-have features are the ones that are required for initial product validation. Now, after that, you're going to focus on your should-have features. These are the ones that must be in the app for users to consistently use the app in real-life scenarios. Now, after that, you're going to move on to could-have features of your app. These are the ones that could improve the user's experience, but aren't actually necessary to solve the core problem your app is solving. And then the last version here is won't have features. Now these are won't have features for now. Doesn't mean you won't have them ever. It just means that they're not going to be relevant until you have a certain volume of users on board your app. And one thing I want to make sure you understand is that at the top of all of this is your vision. Now, vision might sound a little bit woo-woo for some people, but really this is just your goal for your app and yourself. So think about two specific things. What is the impact you want your app to have upon your users and their lives or their businesses? The second thing is, what is the impact you want your app to have upon your own life? Now, you have to focus on the impact with your users because obviously you need to be solving a problem and making a change within your market. But you also have to focus on what your own personal goals are and what your needs are, because both are important to keep you building, growing, and improving your app and business over the long run. When you have that vision defined, that's important because it is going to inform everything else you do. It's going to be the decider for what the must-have features are that should be included in your app, as well as those should, could, and won't have for now features.